Hello, how you guys doing today? Welcome, Ricky, Ginger, G Money, Hamza. A little bit tired here, but well worth it. Great day. I hope you guys made a ton of money. Always happy with my people making money. Just absolute destruction, guys. And I've been warning about this for a while. I've been made fun of this and that, blah blah blah. I've been warning about the rates, yields. What's up, Carlos? How you doing? Eventually, these macro factors they they matter, guys. Like, I know it won't happen right away. If anything in the stock market happened right away, everyone would be a billionaire because these things are out there that people know, right? So sometimes you just have to wait it out. You have to be cautious going long. Like, you guys see Ricky every day preaching, don't go long. Like, he's not going long himself. And long-term equities, people are asking me, I'm saying wait a while, wait a while. What's up, Andrew? Obviously, you can never time the exact bottom, but I don't think we're even close to a bottom yet. And other than that, the very clear sign that I had, that I pointed out yesterday as well, guys. I know VIX was super weak yesterday. It was down under 20. So last time the VIX was under 20 at 1975. Basically, the last time 1975 traded was that 1975? Yeah, the low was 1975. Why is my chart weird right now? Wait a second. Trading views messing up. Let's see where this is. Alright, so this is a very key point I want to make. 1975. The last time we were at 1975, February 9th, guys. That's when the VIX was 1975. If you guys look at the SPY on February 9th, we were trading at 457.88. Yesterday, the high was 447, so a whole 10 points down on SPY, even though the VIX was at the same level. That makes it clear to me that this is a very clear downtrend. If the VIX is at the same level it was on February 9th and SPY is 10 points lower, that should tell you we're in a downtrend. This whole thing was vicious. I know a lot of people caught it, bragged about it. Good, great. You never know how big a bear market rally is. It goes until everyone turns bullish and then they flip it on them. So basically today we got the real action. We got the down 1.5%, almost $7 on SPY was lost today. This whole week of up and down, we started this week at 436.66. We ended the week at 437. So basically the whole week went by, we didn't move at all, and it only took one red day. So just, there's so much money to be made on the short side. You guys have to get used to doing puts. I know a lot of people still in my stock life love calls. Puts are easier, I'm telling you. If you time them right, puts are way easier. You guys seen it today. The Nvidia puts went up like 800%. Shopify puts 10 bagger. Apple puts were 500% plus, like all in one day. It took this whole week for calls to go 80-90% maximum, and today all of them went 500-700%. So play both sides. If you do see weakness, don't be scared to play puts. Just don't wait. You know how many people got destroyed today? People probably had a level here, dip bought this, stopped out, dip bought this, stopped out, dip bought this, stopped out. So they're just going to keep taking paper cuts until they die. And that's the smart people. The dumb people, they buy here, they average down here, they average down here, they average down here, they average down here, and then tomorrow they don't have an account or a home to go home to. So if you see weakness, don't be afraid to take puts. It's the exact same thing. As I said, flip the chart upside down. Would you not long this? Would you not go long here and hold, like, add or take profit, add, take profit, take profit? So it's the exact same thing on, just flip the charts over if you're having trouble, guys. And other than that, I mean, fantastic day for my stock life. QQQ disgusting, SPY disgusting, big tech disgusting. We'll go over some of the plays that we did here today, but man, that is an ugly daily chart nowadays. So you guys see QQQ lost all the support. That morning star, everything, all gone. Next level on QQQ is down here at 330, guys. So all the way down at 330 on QQQ. If we get a gap down tomorrow, I will be taking off a lot of puts. The only reason being is we are oversold on all smaller time frames on almost every single chart. XLF was holding up better yesterday. Look at that candle. You want to see bearish? That is bearish right there. That's a bearish engulfing on the daily on XLF. Let's see if Q's had it too. Sorry, I got a lot of stuff drawn on here. QQQ didn't even make it to yesterday's high. Actually, we did. So another bearish engulfing on the Qs, and SPY also bearish engulfing candlestick. So that means the bears are in full control, absolute control. So some of the stuff I wanted to go over, I told you guys 203.75 magic number on IWM. If we do not get over it, yesterday's high, which we were over it this morning, this is actually why I entered NVIDIA, guys. 203.75, yesterday's high that I was watching. They poked it over here, couldn't keep it over. They gapped it up over there overnight. As soon as we closed this 15-minute candle under 203.75, I knew the whole market was going in the toilet. 9:45, we entered the NVIDIA puts. 160 to like $15 they went. Amazing. Shopify boys entered there too. Mohammed, great trade. So that was my reasoning behind the puts. I had a very clear line. I sent it in the group. 203.75. IWM closes a 15-minute candle below it. Just say goodnight to the market. And look what the IWM did after that. This is a 15-minute chart, guys. This isn't a 1-minute chart like lots of people watch. This is a 15-minute chart on IWM. Where's the bounce? Where is the bounce? And I do have a line underneath on the daily. I did not draw that now, so we are right at this support again, guys. If this support goes, massive bear flag on the weekly. Say goodnight to IWM for round 2 of dumpage. And the way it's looking, look at the weekly candle. If they don't fix this weekly candle tomorrow on IWM and we break this bear flag, there's room all the way down first to the 200-day on the weekly, which is 176. Jesus, 176, and then a gap fill to 168. What's up, Kritik? How you doing? Oh my God, I love you, bro. Thank you for bringing that up. I got Snapchat open. VIX here. Yesterday, you guys can go back and watch my post market from yesterday. I said VIX is forming this little descending channel. If it breaks and holds an hourly candle above, it's gonna fly. What did it do? Broke the first candle of the day, held over top of the channel, and zoom. Okay, I was bearish. I was calling for a pullback. I was not expecting this, obviously. This was insane and not normal, but oh my God, disgusting. Okay, let's get rid of that. Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, yuck. And dead. Look at the reversal on the daily from the 50-day, guys. Yesterday, complete rejection. Today, look at this fake breakout. Oh, we took out the 50. Everyone get bullish. Reversal. Look at this reverse hammer forming on Bitcoin, and they're still dumping it, guys. It's going to low of day right now. So Bitcoin disgusting means risk off. TTD, my play I took at the end of the day here. TTD also works with Snapchat, which you guys didn't know. Public ads, digital ads, Snapchat and TTD are same. And look at TTD now, 62.50, well below low of day. And if Snapchat did dump, which I'm opening right next, I don't want to spoil it. But if Snapchat does dump, TTD will suffer as well. Those $60 puts will be in the money by tomorrow. So let's see what Snapchat opens. There we go. Snapchat dump. 27.50, beautiful. It's coming back a little bit now. Let's see. These things are wild. You guys seen yesterday CVNA's action after hours? So right now I'm not going to get too excited about Snapchat. Obviously we dumped all the way to 22.66. Ugh. And if it comes back down here, our $25 puts are going to be in the money. Let's see what happens. Shopify, the play of the day, in my opinion. The NVIDIA was good, the Apple was good, but Shopify was the play of the day by Mr. Muhammad. I think we can post something on Instagram about this guy's play. It was absolutely insane. 10-minute candle, first one, broke my 585 level. I told you guys 585, key level for Shopify. The first time we broke it, we got a 585, so we got a 30, and we basically got a $70 move the first time we broke that 585. Bounced a little bit, took that March rally with the rest of the market, went, rejected the 50-day because it had to go say hello before it left the earth, you know. So it rejected the 50-day straight down, broke 585 right here, down 80 points yesterday, and down another 44 today. So absolutely beautiful. Shopify, Muhammad took 490 puts for $1.90, and they went to like 15, 16, I think. So congratulations, I'm proud of you, brother. And let's find some more. This was the NVIDIA play that I told you. I would have taken the Shopify with Muhammad if I wasn't watching NVIDIA so closely. But basically my play on NVIDIA, It popped. AMD was dumping. Let me show you AMD at the beginning of the day. AMD right from the open, big dump. Nvidia, big pop. Took a look at the rut. IWM could not get over my 203.75 level. Right away, Nvidia puts right away payment. Look at that dump right there. Those went from $1.60 to about 15. Bucky jumped in even lower strikes than me. His went from 80 cents to like $8 or something, almost a 10 bagger. So amazing plays all around. I hope you guys caught some. CVNA. So I did take, what I did yesterday was I took $65 puts right about here. Stock went sideways. They added 100% premium for me. They added 100% premium. Why am I going to hold puts that are $30 out of the money for earnings? Took my 100% left, watched the earnings a little bit, looked at the dump. I said, oh man, I should have held them. Oh man. And then like 2 hours later, everyone started buying it. It actually gapped up. And then this morning, again, little sell-off, little sideways. And today we did end kind of strong comparatively to the market. I'm not going to lie. But we do have next week's puts. And if the market continues to look like this, there's no way CVNA is going to look like this. And overall on the daily chart here, guys, obviously we have a big dump on the daily, as you see here. But on the weekly is what I've seen, I think. Yes. So the weekly, since we dumped so much and we had a little consolidation sideways, that opened the Bollinger Bands up, meaning the Bollinger Bands are now open for a bigger drop. Why do I say that? Okay, let me go into a little more detail here, guys. So basically, when you hit the top bottom of the Bollinger Bands, there's a support there, right? So it just rode it down a little bit, finally closed the week outside, then it had to consolidate. And what does that do? That widens the bands to give it more room to fall. That this is the mean right here, okay? So let's see if CVNA ends the week weak tomorrow. We have next week 75s. I think we'll be in the money soon, but let's see. I have a lot of profit I'm playing with. Again, respect your own personal stop losses. Apple. So who called Apple today like we did at MSL, guys? Apple was strong all day. It's the only thing that kept me from holding every single put I had. Apple. This piece of shit was going green, going to high of day. I think we caught the puts right here at VWAP, guys. I took 167, 160, where is this? 167p right here at VWAP. As soon as the VWAP broke, those 167.50 puts for tomorrow went from 37 cents to $2.20. That's 500%, just about 500%, guys. Look at this dump. And one of the reasons that I see continued weakness in big tech is Google. I pointed out this level in the group as well, guys. 2,500. Low in January, low at the Russia invasion, low right here, low right here, low right here. And today we broke through it. We closed below 2,500 for the first time on Google since all the way in July of 2021. That's not a small thing. Google is my favorite big tech company. I watch it very closely to get sentiment. It's the strongest one. It has the best fundamentals. And it's the best. I want equity in this one, basically. But 2,500 is a huge level. It's been tested almost 5, 6, 7 times. And today we closed below 2,500, I believe. Did we close below 2,500? Yes, we did. So we closed today at 24.96. First close under 2,500 for Google. Shows me more weakness if they do not blow earnings. And by they, I mean big tech. If they do not blow earnings out of the water, everything's coming down a lot more. And let's see what happens tomorrow. Right now, I don't really see how there's going to be buying overnight. If there's a small gap up tomorrow, they're going to murder this even more. If there's a gap down tomorrow, I will cover a lot of puts, if not all. And then I'll try to look to the other side for oversold bounces, because some of these charts are getting ridiculously oversold. You guys see AMD on the 4-hour or daily. Look at this. RSI is so low, like it's due for a bounce at any time. So a gap down tomorrow, I'm taking off a lot of puts. Gap up tomorrow, I will be sitting comfortable and I will be looking for more puts. Other than that, I hope you guys had a blessed day. I had a great day. Congrats to G Money, congrats to Bucky, congrats to everyone that nailed puts at My Stock Life. Yash killed it. Tonka, you killed it. Hamza murdered Tesla like no other. 300%, I think. Congrats to everyone, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's do this. Let's do it all over.